Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect your G-shaped speaker to your phone. First, make sure your speaker has enough power. A full charge ensures a smooth connection. Find the power button, often on the bottom or side, and press it firmly. You should see a light, usually blue or flashing, indicating it's on and ready to pair. This initial step is crucial for a successful setup. Next, grab your phone and open its settings. Look for the Bluetooth menu, which is typically found under Connected Devices or Network and Internet. Tap on it and then toggle the switch to turn Bluetooth on. Your phone will immediately start scanning for available devices in the vicinity. This step prepares your phone to find and connect with your G-shaped speaker. Once Bluetooth is active on your phone, you'll see a list of available devices. Your G-shaped speaker should appear there, often with a name like G-speaker or a model number. Tap on its name to begin the pairing. If prompted, confirm the connection or enter a simple passcode, usually 0000 or 1234. A successful connection will be confirmed by a sound or a steady light on your speaker. Finally, it's time to test your connection. Play some music or a video on your phone and listen for the sound coming from your G-shaped speaker. If you don't hear anything, first check that both devices are within a range of about 33 feet. Also, ensure both are charged. If problems continue, try restarting both your phone and the speaker. This often resolves minor connectivity glitches, getting your music playing in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.